Okay. Oh, little doggy. Come on. Come on. Oh. I had to clip his claws today. Goofus is running around all the time. He won't let me clip him. They clip his toes. And then he starts hobbling around, and I find out he's got a dew claw that's curled up. Almost got him back in his paw, so. Anyway, so I've been fooling around with this regenerative shortwave radio, or whatever the heck it was. Oh yeah, low-cost shortwave radio kit. That's what it is. Originally, it was part of a Radio Shack science fair kit, where it originally came from. You might remember I bought this probably about, probably 2 months ago. Never got around to playing around with it, doing anything with it. And then tonight I started putting the clips on the board. And of course, this thing is so cheap, they don't even have a circuit board. It's not a printed circuit board. It's just a perf board with copper clad board on the back side to wire it. That's it. So you're gonna have to go ahead and count where you're putting everything and all that. It's gonna be a real pain in the neck. Basically the bigger controls go down here. They'll take up most of the board down here at the bottom. And the other one is go over here somewhere. I mean, there's like 2 of them. So anyway, I'm going to show you what I've had to go through with this stupid thing so far, just to get these stupid pins in there. Number one, they make them too long. They're too fat. Number two, so you think, oh, well, they'll go ahead and just push right in. Nope, they won't, because the holes are all too small. So I ended up using of all things, I had to use my little portable Dremel here. He doesn't like the Dremel. And I had to start grinding these clips down. I gave you a couple extra ones, but anyway, you get the idea. So I had to grind them down, and then basically it's a force fit in there. So, and it doesn't have just 1 or 2 parts. I mean, it's got a lot of parts in this stupid thing. Stupid, I say, because it's dumb the way they set it up. It is not, I would, if I knew it was this screwed up, I would never have gotten it. I would not recommend anybody pick it up. Anyway, here are the parts that were in there. Yeah. I had to lay them out here. So, let's see, where's the tuning? Oh yeah, the tuning control I had to put in a separate bag. And it's printed, get something on it, I don't know what, I don't know. Then they give you the hookup wire. All red wire, not different colors, all red. And then you got to go ahead and make a coil too, out of one of these, I don't know which one. And then, so they give you this bunch of parts too. Whole bunch of resistors and disc capacitors. And then you got this other pile over here. They give you another one. Another bunch of parts. And yeah, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's really set up that well. Then you look at it, and really it's not going to be anything like their little science kit thing was, because they didn't even use the same. Look at this. What they used here. Oops, bounce. Go back. Look what they used here. This is what they use for the connectors. They're like round. Okay, they probably fit in really well. This stuff here, no, cheap junk. Cheap little clips. That's all they had. These cheap little things. Just little push clips. Like I said, they don't even fit right. None of them did. There's no way they would fit, period. And then they show you this other thing, and when you get it, it shows it's on a printed circuit board, but it's not. This is a totally different unit. But they show you in the eBay thing, they show you that like that's going to be it. No, it's not. That's not it at all. Like I said. And then this is totally useless. Big deal. It shows you some parts placement, but there's really no places, nowhere it's numbered or anything like that. It doesn't show you anywhere. I mean, it's totally stupid. The whole thing is. What else have we got? What other junk have we got here? Okay. And then, even on the other sheet they give you, the numbers on this aren't right either. None of that's right. That's like for a half a circuit board. I mean, it goes A, B, C, D, E. That's it. That's all it does on this one. And the other part of it goes from, the numbered part goes from 1 to 32. Well, this thing only goes to 16. If you look here. I mean, none of this stuff is even close. None of this makes any sense. Number-wise, it's not right at all. None of it. Period. I mean, the whole thing's going to be a guessing game. So, I don't know. I'm going to try to see if I can put it together, but I don't see much hope in it, really. It's just going to be totally frustrating anyway. I can't hardly even read the stuff. I've had to use my my lit-up magnifier to see anything. You can't see anything on the board unless you're right on top of it. I mean, okay, so there's what? That's all it is A, B, C. Yeah, what's it got there? A, B, C, D, and then the numbers are all along the side, right there, the top edge. From 1 to 7, that's where they go, right along the top. So yeah, I don't know. None of this makes any sense. Basically, I think they even got the wrong board even in there with it. I don't think it's even the right one. So anyway, if you're looking for a cheap project, don't get this one. Okay, that's going to be it. Bye.